Most people get this wrong when they hear about apps that promise easy money. They think it is just install, play, and cash out instantly. But here's the truth no one tells you. These apps do exist, but the earnings are usually much smaller than people expect. In this video, you will learn what the Moneywell app actually is in 2026, how it works, whether it really pays, and if it is worth your time. By the end, you will know exactly what to expect before you even install it. Let's start with how it works. Moneywell is a rewards-based app where users download and play mobile games. As you play, you earn points based on your activity and time spent in games. Those points can later be exchanged for gift cards, or sometimes PayPal cash, depending on your region. But here's the problem most users face. The reward system is heavily time-based, so progress can feel slow. Now here's where it gets interesting. The app earns money by promoting games and getting users to stay active inside them. So the longer you play, the more data and engagement the partner companies get. In return, you get small rewards. It sounds simple, but the balance between time and reward is where expectations often go wrong. So does it actually pay? Yes. Moneywell is a legit rewards app, and many users report receiving gift cards after reaching payout thresholds. But the key detail is this. It is not designed to replace income. It is designed for casual rewards during free time. Let's make this real. Someone like Alex who plays casually for 20 minutes a day might slowly build points over weeks. But someone like John expecting fast cash will likely feel disappointed because the earnings are not high enough to scale. This is where most people fail. They treat it like a job instead of a side activity. These apps are built for engagement rewards, not income replacement. In a minute, here's the most important insight you should know. The highest value usually comes from completing bonus offers or specific promotional tasks, not just passive gameplay. Now let's talk pros and cons. The good part is that it is free, easy to use, and does pay real rewards like gift cards. The downside is slow earning speed, limited payout options in some regions, and time-heavy progress. So what is the final verdict? Moneywell is legit, but it is not a serious money-making tool. It is best used for entertainment with small rewards on the side. To summarize, it does pay, but only in small amounts. If you expect quick income, you will be disappointed. If you treat it casually, it can be a simple way to earn minor rewards during downtime. If this review helped you, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns like this.